It's a Sunday morning, early on. Not had breakfast yet. Just getting my gear ready, and I'm going to have a day at Dirty Dog Airsoft again today. So here's a quick look at the kit I'll be taking with us, or some of it. A couple of new items I'll be trying out today for the first time. First one being new eye protection. These are the Bolle Tracker protective glasses. Glasses I had been using, or the goggles I've been using, with these sort of more goggle type things which came with the face mask I got off Amazon. They've done the job fine, but I did find them a little bit restrictive on peripheral vision, and sort of when sort of glancing down into ammo pouches and things, that did restrict my view. So I've gone for a more low profile safety glasses type thing. A lot of reviews on these online and they've come up pretty good, so give them a try for the first time today. And the second new item, which I've yet to try, is my new pistol, which was the Action Army EAP-01 Assassin gas blowback pistol. It's my first pistol, and to go with that I've also got a drop leg holster which I've got fitted to my weapon rig. Pistol itself runs on green gas, 23 round mag. I've only got one mag at the moment, but I'm just using it as a sidearm. It's not a primary weapon, so I'm not too concerned about having a lack of sort of ammunition in it. I will get other mags in future, and this pistol can be upgraded beyond recognition with all the different carbine kits and things like that, so who knows what I'll be doing with that in future. And of course the trusty Eve 9 is my primary weapon. So into the gameplay now. This is a game of domination on the morning, and I think this is the first opportunity I had to give the pistol a go. And there we go. My first pistol kill with the new gun. During this game, I didn't realise about this point now, when I was crouched in the corner, the pistol had actually dropped out of my holster. So after being killed there, I've headed to respawn, come back down into one of the lower sections.
Oh fuck.
And that's the moment I realised the pistol was gone. So I headed back up the ramp to the respawn area, see if it's been dropped there or further around the buildings.
Anybody pick the pistol up? Fuck. Carrick, anybody pick the pistol up round there?
Have you dropped yours?
Dropped it away. Somehow, you know, when we got hit round there. So I dropped out
Marshal, would you look and see if there's a pistol on the floor in there somewhere, please, mate?
Hand drop that.
EAP. Oh, let's go. Yeah, come on. I'm with you. Watch down to your left, down.
there. Oh, that's mine. Cheers.
Lucky for me, the marshal just gone around the corner there and quickly retrieved the pistol for us. So here we are now in a game of shoot and scoot at the end of the day, and let's see how many times I get Richie in this game. time Richie got revenge on me there after I've gotten them 2 or 3 times already.
Think it is. Oh no, it's still firing. What?
I said I'm hit, I'm not being hurt, fucking.
Just shoot him again.
Shoot him again?
Shoot him again.
Carrick? Oh, fucking hell. Oh. That hurt.
I'm not going to get in.
It wasn't me. I finally guessed because you're...
Really enjoy these shoot and scoot free for all type games at the end of the day. Really good fun, just a good laugh had by everyone. I'd really enjoyed using the pistol for this game. I definitely will be getting more mags for it in future. And as for the Bolle Tracker goggles, well, they did well. Really comfortable, great field of view on them, and no real missing up issues, nothing too serious. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.